让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it is time for another edition of Conversational Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. This month we're teaching you the phrase 几点 That means what time is it?
几多点？
几多点？几点啦？哦，那我们好久没有吃饭了，对不对？
是啊，
你是不是在等我？
而且你要请客哎。
一定的啦。All right. So let's put you in a situation where two people are setting a date and a time on when they're going to have a meal together. All right. Let's listen to this conversation.
今天講嘢係約幾多點食飯？
唔係天公熱，係約好熱的事。
啊，我記唔出嚟。
有人記錯了，是不是？
我記錯了。
哎呀，真是可憐。Okay, let's break it down. 我們明天是約幾點吃飯呢？ What time are we going to eat together tomorrow?
天公熱，
天公熱，
係約幾多點？
係約幾多點？
食飯
啊，吃飯嘛，吃飯是我最愛做的一件事情啦，吃飯啊 That means to eat, all right? So 明天，and 是我們的意思，然後天公熱就是明天 That means tomorrow. What time 幾多點吃飯 That means what time tomorrow are we having this meal, right? 哎呀，不是明天啊，是約後天。It's not tomorrow, it's day after tomorrow, okay?
唔係天公熱，
唔係天公熱，
係約好熱的事。
係約好熱的事。All right, that means 好熱就是
後天
哦，這比較少教，每次都是天公熱而已。
對，天公熱，
後天就是
就這樣跳到再往後一點。
Okay, 熱 means the day, right? 好 means 後 that means day after tomorrow. So 好熱 is day after tomorrow. 啊，我記錯了。Oh no, I remembered it wrong.
啊，我記唔出嚟。
啊，我記唔出嘞 ，OK，就記錯了嘛，
記錯了，
對。Anyways, I remembered it wrong, and okay, I guess we'll just have our dinner the day after tomorrow, right? Let's review some of these phrases, such as 吃飯 to eat,
食飯
吃飯, and then tomorrow 明天
天公熱，
天公熱 but if it's day after tomorrow 後天
好熱，
好熱 and then 記錯了 remember wrong.
記唔出嚟。
記唔出嚟 All right, and this whole month the phrase is 幾點
幾多點？
幾多點？好，我們完完整整的再聽一次這個對話。Let's hear the conversation again.
今天講嘢係約幾多點食飯？
唔係天公熱，係約好熱的事。
啊，我記唔出嚟。
好啦 Alice 乾脆今天晚上約來吃飯，可不可以？
好啊，
有空哈
OK
All right, there you go. That is today's conversation on Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.